are going to go back to our Premiere Pro. So the same file that was not working, we are going to go ahead to the file and then import, and then we are going to locate. So go ahead and import this file. Since it's an MP4, it will be working fine. So what is going on, everyone? I'm Abbas with you here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the unsupported file error message in Premiere Pro, and let us begin. So in my case, my error message says the file has an unsupported compression type. In this case, I have an NKV file. Okay, so if I go ahead and get a file and then go into import and I try importing any NKV file, I'm still going to be getting that error. So okay, so the way I solve this issue is I have some software that I'm actually using. It's actually a paid version for the Pro version to be able to use most of the features that are in the software. But if you want to try the free tier, you're gonna have to go to this website. I'm going to be linking or putting all the links in the description, so you're gonna have to just go ahead and go to this website and then go to try it free. Then you can go ahead and download the software, install it, and you'll be brought to this page. So if the free version works for you, it will be fine, and you just go ahead, you'll be presented with this interface. Okay, if you want to maybe change the interface and it's in the light mode as it came in my case, you are just gonna have to just come up here and then just change the theme to dark. Okay, so just come down here and go to the converter, and you are actually just going to go here and add the file. Go ahead and add any file here. So let me go ahead and add this file here, which is an NKV, but I'm actually going to be converting it into MP4. So the good thing with this software, it enables you to enable the acceleration of the GPU. And so in this case, I have two GPUs, the Intel and the NVIDIA, but usually it chooses the stronger one, which is going to be the NVIDIA. Okay, so after adding your file here, you are just going to go ahead and maybe select here. So it's better, I usually love using this part here, convert to MP4. Just come here and select video. So if you want to, you can select any file format that you want here. MKV is here, but we've realized it does not work in Premiere Pro. Okay, so you can select any of the file formats. In my case, I'm going to be selecting the MP4, but I'm going to go ahead and select the same thing that I want. If you want to go ahead and upscale it to 4K or upscale it from 1080 to 8K or 4K, you're going to have to go ahead and choose these options here. But in my case, I only just want it to stay the same way. You can go ahead and test the same way, but these options or these features are not actually featured in the free version. So go ahead and go to the same auto or same source, and then go ahead and click convert. So if you go ahead and you are going to have to just check down here, save to. Okay, it saves the files into this folder. Let me just go ahead and first delete these ones. Yep, okay, let me delete them in order not to be confused. Okay, so immediately after, so if you have so many files here, you can just go ahead and click the convert button here. But in my case, I only have one file I want to convert. So you can realize that if I'm converting actually from NKV to, when I'm selecting the same source, it's going to be actually the same. But if I try maybe upscaling it to maybe 4K, you're going to realize that I'm getting more, because it's going to be upscaling it to something that is a high quality than what I already have. So let's go ahead and select our option here. So go ahead and just click convert everything, leave the way everything as is, and press convert. Okay, so as fast as it is, and it's finished, so it's going to be pushed here to the finished part here. So if I come and check in the folder that I have downloaded, so just open here. Okay, so it's going to take you to the folder that everything has been converted to, and then we are going to go back to our Premiere Pro. So the same file that was not working, we are going to go ahead to the file and then import, and then we are going to locate exactly where we're going to be locating exactly where we have put our file. So go ahead and import this file. Since it's an MP4, it will be working fine. Okay, so if the free version does not happen to help you or help to convert your file and it's too big and you are limited, you are just gonna have to go to this website here, and I'm going to be putting the link in the description. You can actually go ahead and pay for the annual plan or the 2-year plan, or you can actually be like me and I'm using the one-time fee, which is now an unlimited plan here. Yeah, it's actually unlimited. Yeah, so it has no expiry. You can go ahead and use it. It has so many features, but in this case I'm only just showing you how you can convert this file to be able to be used in Premiere Pro. Okay, so that is how you can fix the unsupported file error message in Premiere Pro by using this software to actually go about it. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. I will appreciate so much if you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.